This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
I would like to know if you have done something yourself and then you're very complex and you're very proud of your accomplishment, specifically in the technical role being the DevOps engineer. So the question is, can you describe a task that you have completed in your current or the previous project? Or even if you have not done it, if I give you the very complex task, what process would you follow if it is I'm giving you? Or what process have you followed if you have done before to get the job done?
Okay, so basically I had a job in my current company which I'm particularly proud of. So we basically had some Kubernetes clusters running in EC2. Okay, so we actually decided to move all of our EC2 clusters and the COPS clusters to the EKS. Okay, so for that, we basically needed to move all of our infrastructure to TerraForm. Okay, because we went all GitOps and we went all like TerraForm. So in order to get everything that we have, including the VPC, including the Kubernetes clusters and everything, I needed to migrate all of those into the newer generation of TerraForm codes and the like EKS clusters. So migrating from like bare metal Kubernetes clusters to the EKS. Okay, so I needed to import all of the VPC resources. I needed to import a lot of route tables and everything. And because these were kind of complex tasks to achieve, because we actually needed to have some set of networking skills to like find out, okay, this is what that needs to be done in next. Otherwise, I will have issues with importing, because if we just import randomly, things might break a lot. Okay, so it was a very tedious task, but and a complex task as well. But end of the month, I basically were able to do it and migrate all the existing resources in the TerraForm, and then just replaced the existing bare metal Kubernetes cluster with an EKS one. And yeah, the migration were done flawlessly. I had a lot of issues in the meantime, but I like actually overcame. And then yeah, with that, I got a lot of TerraForm experience, and then I just like set onto the TerraForm like certification, and then I immediately passed with the flying colors because I had to face a lot of things. So yeah, it actually helped me as well, learning a lot of tidbits regarding TerraForm as well. And yeah, basically that was it. I am particularly proud of the thing.